everybody. Oh. Ah. Hey everybody, it's George and Pickles. And as many of you know, our town, Tucson, Arizona, was named one of the country's top 10 dog-friendly cities. So today, we're gonna run a dog-friendly errand, and then visit a dog-friendly drinking establishment. And we'll see you soon. Okay, we're at our first stop, Wild Bird Store. I don't know if they're pet friendly, but I have a feeling. Okay, come here, Piggy. Wait, I think it's over here. Come on, Pickles. Where is it? The cardinal feeder?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, here it is.
There, you found it.
This is the cardinal feeder that I bought for Ralph and Maggie, and they love it. Get off of there. Success! They were very, very friendly. They let Pickles in, and they're just kind people in general. That's usually where I get my bird seed. We got this 5-pound bag of safflower seed for Ralph and Maggie for just $3.50. And, oh, and also, I think I heard that all of their wooden bird feeders are locally made, maybe by the owner of the shop, I'm not sure. So, yeah, locally made bird feeders and nice people. Anyway, now we're off to the bar. She's ready to, look at her. Bar. You don't get any beer, you're too young. Hey guys, I'm gonna give you each a cookie. Coda, come here. Sit for your cookies. Here, Pickles. Here, Golden. I know, they're kind of stale, sorry. You're so cute. Oh, you want more? Okay, sit again. Sit.
I mean, after about the first 6 months.
What you talking about?
I love you, Pickles. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Cody Bear. Your tail is stuck in the tree. So there's my bird feeder that I bought at the Wild Bird Store 2 years ago. And I was wrong. It wasn't a 5-pound bag I bought last night. It was a 2-pound bag. But still, it was a good price, and it was nice to be able to let the dog in there. I used to have this feeder in the acacia, but they didn't like it that much because there's not much cover. But they love hanging out in this Palo Verde tree. So anyway, that's that. I'm off to work. If you need bird seed or you want to try out one of those locally made bird feeders I told you about, he's already yelling at me. Try the Wild Bird Store on Fort Lowell Country Club, and it's early. I can't remember streets this early. And have a great day. Let me know if you want Pickles and I to visit your place. We'll talk to you soon. Bye. Here he is. He's eating. I just walked inside. Can you hear him? He's so excited. Loves breakfast. See, he talks while he eats. I don't know. I think he's telling everybody to back off. It's his. Okay, that's enough for now. I'll talk to you guys later.